For today's video, I'm going to be reviewing their Perfection unit. This has been a wig that I've had my eye on probably since I started partnering with UniWigs. So I'm very excited. If you're interested in learning more about Perfection, then keep watching. Oh my goodness. She is the most gorgeous, like dark chocolate brown ever. Like, oh my goodness. Her roots are really quite dark, a little bit darker than I was kind of expecting. But honestly, I'm here for it. I'm here for a dark root. I can make it work. That is, honestly, changing my hair color is kind of a superpower, so. Alrighty, so let's get into the specs. So as I said, this is Miss Perfection. Her hair texture is straight. She is a brunette balayage, Remy Human Hair lace front. So Remy is the kind of human hair that it is made out of. It comes in 3 different lengths. I believe it's 16, 18, and 20. It is a lace top, but it also comes in a silk top. So I love the ability to choose between lace and silk. I think that's great that UniWigs is doing that. In terms of the cap construction, so I said she is a lace top from ear to ear. They don't have any ear tabs, so you will have to cut in your own ear tabs. It is a machine wefted back with combs at the back nape and combs on the sides as well. And then you also have some adjustment straps at the back. I have adjusted it. Let's throw it on. Oh my goodness, she is so gorgeous. She did come pre-styled. She did come with these gorgeous waves. I did have to kind of tweak a few of the waves just because it spent a few days or maybe even a week being delivered across the world. She's so gorgeous. A little bit of a side profile. So obviously remembering that we do need to cut in the ear tabs, but if I did, this is what it would look like. And you can change the part wherever you want, which is really great. The lace kind of covers a good chunk of the cap construction, so feel free to have fun with your part. And it basically means my favorite kinds of wigs in this world is something that I can just easily throw on and out the door I go. And this is one of those examples because I could be rushing, and then I just quickly throw on this wig and then out the door I go. It looks absolutely stunning already, and I just had to throw it on. I think that is basically it for my review. I think that's all of the points that I wanted to touch on. Again, UniWigs, they offer really great quality wigs for an affordable price. So I believe this one is also under $1,000, which is great for a human hair lace top wig. Subscribe to my channel and we will see you next time on The Art of Alopecia. Bye guys.